Welcome to our video. Today we're making another tornado, but different. So I'm putting my safety glasses. Now, if you want to do this at home, you probably want to get some tubes and some water container and some food coloring. Now let's get started. Fill it up with water. We have already done that step. Then we have to do this part.
Let's put our food coloring in first.
Like food coloring. You can choose red or something.
So it's what kind of tornado did you say?
Fire tornado.
Yeah, there we
Dang.
go.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Okay, now my dad will put it on there. Now they are like this.
Right.
I'll tape that up.
Yeah, tape.
We gotta find the beginning of the tape.
There you go. Finally beginning. Okay, now we go tape it. So it's gonna be a tornado.
Okay.
Now this is where the tornado comes in. See, the tornado should be showing up.
Oh, yeah.
So why is it dripping, Arno?
No, it's supposed to drip.
Actually?
Mm-hmm.
Ugh.
Oh, look at that tornado inside there going.
Yeah, it is. Look at that. If you can't see it, that's okay. Because it is there. Dripping water. So
And then you can flip it around and have another tornado.
let's see when this is and the tornado has stopped. Now it's like an infinite tornadoes. See? Should have another one. Why?
Mm-hmm.
See? That's the bubbles.
This is a tornado?
Yeah, fire
Wow.
tornado.
A fire tornado.
Yeah, you might need some towels. And don't
Yeah,
forget
we're gonna
towels.
do towels.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna put them under it.
Okay.
And that's how you create a tornado. Wait, some reason I did put these squares if you guys. Wait, don't need them. Under it. Yep. Put it on.
Had a little spill. Okay, Witten. What do you want to tell them?
Thank you for watching for today, and like and subscribe for this experiment if you. So, have a great day, and this is our tornado. Bye.